In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video call in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're connecting with a colleague, client, or friend, Microsoft Teams makes it easy to start a video call with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer or mobile device. Once you're signed into your Teams account, you'll be taken to the main interface. From here, you can either start a call from your chat or a scheduled meeting. If you're looking to start a video call from a chat, navigate to the Chat tab on the left sidebar. Find the person or group you want to call and click on their chat to open the conversation. You'll see two icons at the top of the chat window, one for voice calling and one for video calling. To start the video call, simply click on the video camera icon. The call will start and you'll be able to see the person on the other end, and they'll be able to see you. Now let's talk about calling during a meeting. If you're already in a meeting and want to switch to video, it's super easy. First, go to the Meetings tab or find the meeting you're already in. Once you're in the meeting, there's a button in the top right corner to turn on camera. Click that and you'll switch from audio only to a full video call. You can also choose to turn your camera off if you need a break from being on screen. You can mute or unmute your microphone and even share your screen if you need to present something. All these controls are located at the top of your screen during the call. Plus, you can adjust your video settings by clicking on the three dots for additional options, like virtual backgrounds and device settings. If you need to end the call, simply click the red Hang Up button, and the call will end immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to start a video call in Microsoft Teams. It's a great way to stay connected and collaborate with others, no matter where they are. I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of your Teams experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.